Hey guys, we all love gnocchi. I make them fresh. I didn't have time, but I did see this at the grocery store. Let's check it out. All right, so they boast that it's made with fresh cheese and fresh potatoes and fresh Italian sauce. Let's check out the ingredients. Just in case you're wondering. And these are cute because they're stuffed with the cheese and tomato sauce. So
stovetop cooking.
Let's see how big they are. Choppy choppy. Oh my, they're pretty big. Wow. States that all you need to do is get a pan, put some butter in it. Ooh, it's sizzling. And pour them in and saute. For how long? 7 to 8 minutes. These little babies are browning up. They still feel frozen though, so we still got about 4 minutes on the clock. 8 minutes have passed. Let's try one out and see how stuffed they are. Let's cut into it. Oh. They are stuffed. They're so cute. It's like a little potato ball. All right.
Taste test.
Let's test it out into the pie hole.
Does it taste like a real gnocchi, first of all?
You know what? I've had frozen gnocchi that have been really terrible. This isn't that bad. And the little stuffing is really good. It's not as heated as it should be though. So I'm gonna leave them covered so that they can heat up the inside a little longer. But no, all in all, that's a good gnocchi, frozen gnocchi. I don't like them usually, I make them myself. But this one, thumbs up guys. Try it out, go find it, it's great. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.